सेशन तैयारी के सिलसिले में आज हम पाकिस्तान अफेयर के क्वेश्चन देखने जा रहे हैं। हम रोज 10 सवाल पढ़ने की कोशिश करेंगे। पहला सवाल है, नदवतुल उलूम was founded in 1894. Next, according to the 1973 Constitution, where has the President limited authority in legislation? Next, in 1950 Constitution adopted which system? Unicameral. Next, which is the biggest airport in Pakistan? Jinnah International Airport. Next, in 1867, some prominent Hindu of Banaras launches a movement for the replacement of Urdu, which is Urdu written in Nastaliq with Hindu written in Devanagari script as the code language. In which province was this movement start? Central Province. Next, name the biggest park area was in Pakistan. Central Karakoram Park. Next, Humayun, the son of Babur, ascended the throne of Agra. Next, the density of the population in Sindh is 339.8 square kilometer. Next, when Urdu was introduced as an official language in the subcontinent by British government in 1832. Next, आखिरी सवाल है, the majority of the southern Pakistan population live along the river Indus. आज के लिए इतना, बाकी नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।